I gotta get this fish. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Dude, this is disgusting. Oh, there he is. He's coming out. Oh, he's not as big as I thought. He's little. There we go. I've got this nice pound and a half, maybe like 14, 15-inch fish. So we'll get this hook out of him, a little wacky rig right in the corner of the mouth. We'll get this hook out of him and let him go. Down there by that bush, there was something huge swirling. We don't know what it was. It was probably another one of those big carp. It weighed like 2 pounds if he was filled out all the way.